Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is day 13 and I am on my way to Pak Nai Fisherman's Village, where I hope to catch a bamboo ferry to take me across the river. Welkom terug op het kanaal Nederlandstalige en Vlaamstalige mensen. We zijn hier op 13, ik ben op weg naar Pak Nai dorp om hopelijk daar een bamboe bootje te kunnen nemen om mij de rivier te kunnen laten overzetten. Oh, look at that. Well, hello everybody. Hello ladies. Oh, I love this. What time is it? It's 5 to 7. Checked out this morning at 5 o'clock. And now I am nearly in Pak Nai. If people are familiar with crossing the river in Pak Nai, please let me know, because for me it's going to be the first time. I've got no idea. Five kilometers, friends, to the ferry. Can I call it a ferry? I don't know. I have no idea what to expect. The sun is coming up. Finally. Wow, look at that view. Wow, is that part of the river we have to cross? Maybe. Maybe it is. We're nearly there. But as I said, I've never been here before. I am not familiar with the process. I was just reading about it a little bit, but that's about it. So I was also reading we have to go off this main road, and this is like a sign here or what? This should be it, yeah? I think that's it. I think we have to go here, I think. I have no idea. Is this it? Of course now. Well, I'm gonna go to the end first. Because that was only 400 meters. And maybe somebody is there to help me. Oh yeah. I think I'm here. Maybe I should ask this buffalo here. Buffaloes. But where is it now? Do I have to go in here or? Paknai Fisherman's Village. See, I remember these houses on the water from the internet. So maybe I gotta go here, I don't know.อ๋อไม่ใช่ตรงนี้เหรออ๋อกลับไปแล้วก็เลี้ยวซ้ายขึ้นไปถึงสุดเลยน้ำมีหุ่นอะอ๋อแล้วก็เลี้ยวเลยตรงนั้นมีหุ่นยืนอยู่ใช่อ๋อตรงนั้นเหรอแล้วก็ตรงเลยแล้วก็ลงนี่อ๋อโอเคโอเคขอบคุณมากครับจ้า Right. So it was there. It was where the sign was, where I first went. Was it this way or not? I have no idea. Oh yeah, the buffaloes here. Yeah, hello buffaloes. Come on, baby. Maybe I'm gonna have to go here. Shh. Shut up. Shut up. Nobody here. Yeah, but I think I'm on the right place now. Shut up. Shh. Bye. Okay. Okay, apparently we are going now, so I have to put my bike on the ferry.
This is not normal. What are we what are we doing here? What are we doing? I don't know if the engine is okay. I don't know if he's okay. Adventure. But it's beautiful here. It's very, very beautiful.
Okay, so I think we are on the other side. This is a serious adventure. I feel like a little bit of a Rambo here now in the middle of nowhere. But it's all good. Friendly people doing whatever they can. Getting off the boat will be another adventure. I think it's more difficult for a car than a bike. Okay, ขอบคุณมากครับครับขอบคุณมากครับได้ค่อยหยอดโอเคครับขอบคุณครับ And other people are waiting already to go on the boat. Wow, this is amazing. Oh dear. Welcome to the real Thailand. And I do not miss the tourism right now. Wow, I don't know where to go now. Gotta check on the map.
Turn right.
You have to turn right. And then?
In 800 meters, continue straight.
I need petrol. I need a gasoline station. Okay. I just saw a shop where I have to do what I actually was supposed to do yesterday. Some motorcycle means motorbike shop. Bye. Whoa. Sorry. Any okay, mate? Okay. Professional shop. Wow. Not finished yet. I don't think I can go up here, but that's a massive big temple. But it's not finished yet. So maybe I can. What does it say here? Harm forbidden. Today is a monster ride. Checked out in Nan this morning, crossed the river on the way to Uttaradit, Loi, Udon Thani, and now I am on my way to Nong Khai. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, but I would like to stay in Nong Khai for tonight. It is 22:05, so I'm nearly 12 hours on the road. Yeah, I am crazy. Good morning from Nong Khai. This is where I ended up yesterday, but I was a little bit too late to finish the video yesterday, so I'm gonna finish day 13 on the beginning of day 14. It was absolutely a monster ride yesterday. I did 570 kilometers on my little scooter, and the simple reason for this is
well, there was way too much highway, so I want to get it over with. But this is one of my favorite places in Thailand, Nong Khai. As you can see behind me, right at the Mekong River, or the Mekong River. Behind me is Laos. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna leave it like this. I can promise you already, on the next video there will be more footage of Nong Khai and neighborhood, because I'm also gonna go to Bun Kan, which is the next province, to see my mother-in-law. You will see a little bit of the life of Isan people. This is gonna be interesting, and I hope my mother-in-law is gonna make my favorite food. You will see it all in the next video. So for now, I'm gonna leave it like this. Thank you for watching. Give us the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll see you on the next one.